Hey guys, this video is for you if you have been somewhere before that you really loved and you haven't been able to figure out where the heck you went again. So walk through it. Um, Open up your Google Maps and from here, click your profile picture in the top right and go to your timeline. Click your timeline, going to bring you places you've been. Here we got today. Close that thing real quick. You could zoom out from here exactly. Just zoom out depending on where you want to be. We've been a bunch of places. Today we're going to specifically look for somewhere that we went in Canada when we were there in February. If you have a general idea, you could zoom into the place and get close by. Unfortunately, we went to like so many places, it was really hard to figure it out. So instead of day, you can go to trips and from there you can go to exactly what year you went, what day you went, date, month, what you call it, day of the week, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. If you remember that, that helps. If you don't remember that far, you could always go to places and see where you've gone into certain places too. But that's the gist of it. This stuff's always tracking you. It's a little creepy, but also helpful. Hope it helps you out, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.